everyone, today I'm gonna be share with you something is crazy and unbelievable. Something you maybe don't believe it. And I'm gonna share with you that's my credit on these have a 2000 USD as a credit. It's totally free. I get it totally free and I'm using, you can see that I'm using it every day. And here I'm gonna share you the crazy thing. There is a Opus 4.8 is totally free. You can use it anytime with thinking mode. This is gonna be crazy and uh, is a sub agent. You can choose default. It's totally agent mode and execute mode, auto arcs. So default I just take and time out. So when you put is time out, the agent is time out is automatically. So here is this is totally give you free and I can't believe you that every model and everything is totally free and use you. So so here is a tool you can use also here great model extra. So here and you can also plug in your own connection and you have the plan mode and execute mode and you use it to totally free and I can't believe that is how possible. So if you want to be use it free, I'm gonna share you this my link. Without this link you're not gonna be get a free 100 credit. This is totally huge credit. You got the free 100 credit, but make sure you just connect your uh, card, then also disconnect when you finish your credit is a so I hope you understand.